So let's talk about a great trading platform, one that I've been using for over 15 plus years, that a lot of you who are just starting off, who are home based here in the United States, so a lot of you USA traders that may have interest in trading the future markets, this is a very, very solid platform. And when they first designed this platform, NinjaTrader 8, okay, before it was NinjaTrader 7, it was always geared for future traders, to be honest with you. That's what the platform was designed to be, was for individuals who are interested in trading futures. And there's a list of opportunities in which you can trade when it comes to the future markets. And we'll kind of talk about that as well. But yeah, I mean, anyone in 2026, like now going forward, who has an interest in trading futures, okay, whether it's the indices or the metals or currencies, financials, whatever it may be, there are a variety of different contracts or markets you can trade. You should know that, right? And let's say you have like no experience or zero experience. They are have a solid, not only platform service, but a broker service as well. So if you're looking for a broker and a trading platform, you definitely want to probably take a look into NinjaTrader. Their customer service is top rated. Their award-winning platform that's been around for a long time. And like I said, I've been using them since the inception of when I first started trading. And I'm not going anywhere, from or moving away from them. I like their platform. It's very easy to use. From right out the box, from startup to finish. They have a variety of options in which you can choose whether you want to go with their free version, their lease, or which is monthly now, or their one-time, license buyout where you can actually own your own license. I'll show and talk about that here in a moment. But yeah, I mean, there are a variety of things and options and reasons why I personally prefer NinjaTrader. Right out the box, like I said, is because it's just easy to use, okay? I don't have to spend a lot of time in figuring things out, whether it is setting up charts, whether it is placing trades, meaning my, interest into the market, because there are options as well there too. You can use the Superdome, or you can also use Chart Trader, okay? I talk about that here on my channel in several videos, where you have options of using the Chart Trader, meaning directly trade off the chart, or using their Superdome. It just depends on, what your preference is. A lot of people, they trade directly from the chart, and there's nothing wrong with that, okay? Some people want a little bit more edge, and they want to use the Superdome. There's nothing wrong with that. So there are features like using the Superdome in which you would have to pay attention to, of course. But again, there are ways in which you can actually trade without paying for all the additional add-ons, okay? So let's go back to that right quick. These may be some of the reasons why you may look into NinjaTrader, for example. No deposit minimum, okay? That means starting up and opening up an account with them. I don't believe there's a minimum amount that you have to have or required to put into an account. Now you will have to have capital when you're ready to start trading live, for example. But outside of that, I believe the only fee you're going to incur, especially if you're using the free option for the charting, is you have to pick a market data fee plan, which is very inexpensive, guys, and to basically gain access to the data feed, right? All right, but outside of that, yeah, no minimum deposit required. They have very low margins. Again, this is kind of tied into like here the micro futures, for example, because you have options where you can trade micros for people who have less capital, who are really just starting off. And I recommend anyone out there who is starting to definitely trade with the micro futures before stepping into the standard E-mini contracts, okay? Low commissions, that's a very big part to the trading, because that's where you're going to be able to control your expenses, meaning how much you're going to have to pay to the actual broker, okay? So NinjaTrader has some of the most competitive and lowest margins and commission fees, I would say, in the industry as a whole, all right? They have a variety of different options in which you can use in terms of application purposes, the desktop, the web, or mobile. For me, I'm primarily trading at the desktop. They also have the web version for those that may be on the fly, or maybe trading using their laptop, whatever the case is. They have their mobile version as well. Now, me personally, I don't trade from my phone. I like to have a bigger environment or space to be able to trade from, so I like using the desktop with my monitors, okay? You have simulated trading, right? Prepare for live trading with free unlimited simulated trading. So this is what I talk about. If you're a beginner trader out there who's just starting off, again, trade the micros, but definitely spend time in simulation, okay? Just don't jump into pouring a bunch of money or capital into an account and think that you're going to start trading overnight and become very successful. You may get lucky, but please, please, please strategically understand and have a system in place before you start trading live. And that's what I share here on my channel, is a strategy and how I personally trade, which I'm not going into detail about today because there's so much content on the channel. But if you're interested in understanding more so about the strategy that I use and so many fellow members who are part of our Discord community use, who are either trading using prop firm, funds, or using their own personal funds, whatever the case may be, like myself, the strategy is very simplistic, guys. It's very simplistic. All it covers in detail is just, we're talking about supply and demand. I help you identify, the key areas in terms of the video content that I share, talking about structure, price action, and, the types of trades that I actually take. Okay. It's all centered around supply and demand, but the style and how I trade is slightly different than probably what you find in most, from most other traders online. Cause I trade range bar charts. All right. I don't trade time charts. And I talk about in my channel the reason why, because it's so much cleaner to the eye to me looking at range charts versus time-based charts. And not just that, I believe personally there's more setups that I can that I see on a daily basis trading range bars versus time-based. But everybody's different. But if you have something that's working or you prefer to trade, say, time-based charts, then that's fine. Stick with it. Okay. There are a variety of customized features or tools, or even with the indicators you can personally use, and not just that, so many different options as well. I mean, you can use third-party add-ons and have indicators develop, or tools developed that you can use, or have integrated or imported into the NinjaTrader if you know someone that knows how to code the correct way, or go online and find some of these free options of tools that you can use as far as feature-wise and import them into NinjaTrader if you're just using some other indicators. Now, I personally don't trade a bunch of indicators. I trade and like to only use the volume profile because it is very important, because volume is important, right? So you have to think in terms like that. But yeah, I mean, if we click on, let's say, for example, let's go here. Pricing, for example, okay, you could choose your plan. Let's see what it gives us here. Okay, you got to sign into an account here, but let's go back. Basically, that's how you walk through the process of setting up and choosing a plan. So first you establish an account, and then you're going to choose a plan you want to go with, meaning one down here, okay? Either the free version, the monthly version, or the lifetime version of NinjaTrader, okay? If you want to go with the lifetime version, it's one-time payment, and this gives you access to everything they have within their suite, okay? I'm talking about all the indicators, all the features. You get lower commission fees, and just basically the round term fees as a whole. But yeah, you can save money on for those that trade a lot. I'll say this, for example, that trade a lot of contracts. All right, that's where you have what's called round term commission fees that are involved. So if you're someone that wants to go and just kind of save money on the down the road or in the long run, then you may want to go with the one-time payment fee. But you don't have to do that right up front. You could go with the free version, get a feel for the platform, okay? See if you like it, by using it, see how user friendly it is, and then go from there. And then you can always upgrade to one of these if you're interested in, or you say, hey, I want to start I know how to trade now. I want to start saving some money each month, okay, or every quarter or every year, whatever the case may be. But you'll see the difference in the fees, meaning commissions per side. Once you start moving up and say, if I want to go to the monthly plan or go to the lifetime plan, you start seeing these kickbacks that you get in price in here, okay? Like the standard E-minis, if I go with the lifetime license, I'm saving a lot of money per contract when I move up and, up the ladder here and start choosing one of these plans. Now, again, you don't have to go this route, guys. They do have the free version where there is no monthly fee other than their market data fee and the commissions involved, okay? All their fees that are involved there. So, here are the view the commission rates here for anyone that's interested. As you can see, these are the various markets here. This breaks it down here in this table here, chart here, what you would pay based on round term fees, all included, meaning the exchange, NFA, commission fees, clearing, all that round turn, depending on which plan you choose, whether it's the free, monthly, or the lifetime. This is per contract now, okay? Not only just per contract, but it's per side as well. So what I mean by per side is, for example, when you enter a trade, there's a commission fee involved. When you exit a trade, so that's called round turns per side, okay? Enter and exit, all right? So let's go ahead and go back right quick. All right, as you see right here, As well, if I go down where it talks about activate your plan benefits, depending on the type of data that you receive, you can get what's called top of book market data, right? You can get market replay. What is that? This is where you can go back using historical data once the market closes to basically just do, back testing, okay? If you have a specific strategy, if you want to use a strategy here that I talk about, market replay allows you to go back as if you never saw the session occur, as if you're saying, hey, I wasn't able to take a look at the U.S. session today once the New York Exchange opened at 9:30 Eastern Time, and you get home or in the evening time, you say you wanted to go back and do a market replay of the most current session, which would be the U.S. session, and you can go back and trade it as if you never saw the market actually moving or had a chance to trade it during the day, okay? Order Flow Plus, there's a sweet package there for anyone that, is interested in all the order flow features and tools, and a list of other tools that you can use as part of the platform, okay? So there's so much, there's so many different things that come packed with using NinjaTrader. Again, it's user-friendly, and it really is not a hard program or platform to use at all, okay? So this is where you can take a look at the actual margins based on the market or the contract itself. So like with the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, for example, there's a list of markets, as you can see, that you can trade. They're all tied to the CME, whether it's going to be, currencies, the indices. It lists each one of them out going down. And you can see the day margins here, and then these are basically the initial margins are going to be your maintenance margins. But yeah, I say, for example, like if you're interested in trading the E-mini S&P 500, you can see that the required margin is $500 per contract. So that means you have to have $500 for every contract that you're interested in actually trading. If you want to trade the standard now, the standard, which is the standard regular E-mini contract. Now, those that want to trade for the micros, which is a great option for beginners, like you see here, if you want to trade the micro S&P 500, like right here, the MES, it's only $50 a contract. Again, the initial is going to be that maintenance margin, not the intraday or daily trade margin. This is the maintenance margin right here, okay? So that's how you can go and find out what the margins are for these various contracts that you may be interested in trading. But yeah, I mean, they have a great customer service as well. All their information is down here. If you go to the homepage, NinjaTrader.com, click on any links to find out information. You can also use their, their live chat tool here. Contact them directly if you need support as well. Just overall, a great company, a great trading platform, and not only is it a great trading platform, but a great broker as well. Now, I personally don't use NinjaTrader as of now. I may actually switch over in the future because I've been using AMP Futures, which has been my broker since day one, when NinjaTrader and AMP were, doing business together, but they separated in separate ties well over 10 years ago. So I just stayed with AMP for the time being, but you never know. I may, in the future switch over and bring everything in-house with NinjaTrader. But yeah, I mean, they have everything in-house, guys. If you're looking for a one-stop shop, from charting to their tools and features to, great customer service. As you can see, they're rated on with the Better Business Bureau rating A+. All right, that's as of the end of January. So, I mean, they're a solid company in my book. So, I highly recommend them for anyone out there who's looking to really get started as a beginner, someone with no experience that's living here in the United States, and is definitely interested in start trading futures. NinjaTrader is the way to go. All right. Now, that's all I want to share with you guys today. For anyone that's interested in maybe learning or understanding the strategy and how I trade when it comes to trading futures, right now I'll tell you, I'm trading gold, mostly NASDAQ, gold, and then the S&P 500. So the strategy works no matter the market, guys, because it's all surrounding supply and demand. Supply and demand is universal. You can become a Discord member for free, okay? There's a link down in the description portion of the video if you're interested in joining the Discord. That's where I, myself, and fellow members who are part of the Discord, we basically share our trades in which we take. So we post over on the trading floor, a channel on the Discord. But the trades I take and I post, I'll break them down in detail for our elite and our ultra elite supporters. So that's why I'll break down, my trades, going over structure, price action, my mindset of why I took the trade, the strategy as a whole, so that you can collectively understand why I took each one of those trades. Okay, because that helps when people are trying to understand a strategy as a whole, but also when they're back testing and forward testing, finding these setups, knowing what to look for in reference to structure, price action, knowing how to draw up the zones, how do you actually draw the zones when it comes to supply and demand, what are the small little details that you're looking for at a point of rejection. I go over all these things within the trade breakdown. So if you're interested in becoming an elite supporter, you can gain access and become one for simply just $6.99 a month. That is it, a month. That breaks down to be like 24 cents on the day. That is it. All right. So there's a lot of valuable content, tons of video content that you can watch that has helped so many people out there out in terms of trading, and those who are part of the Discord community, and definitely those who are part of that private community of elite and ultra elite supporters. So there's a link down in the description portion of the video. It's titled Elite and Ultra Elite Supporter. If you click on that, you'll see a few tiers pop up. You'll see the Elite tier and the Ultra Elite tier with a price tag, and it also lays out the perks and rewards that you receive for each one of the tiers. Or you can simply go to the homepage here on the channel, click on the membership tab or the membership tab or link, and then it's going to take you directly, pull up the community, so you can choose which one of the tiers you want to actually join if you're interested in joining and gaining access to all that valuable content which I talk about and using and understanding the strategy and how I personally trade. Now, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so by clicking that sub button, because that is free to become a member and actually subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure to click the bell as soon as you do so. That's the post notification bell, so you do not miss any of the uploaded content. And last but not least, if you found some value in today's video with me kind of just covering the outlining areas of a discussion about NinjaTrader, the platform itself, and it's kind of giving you a rundown, the ins and outs, and why the award-winning platform, please make sure to drop a like on the channel or on the video here today. I greatly appreciate it. I'll talk to you later, guys. See you in the next one.